Almost. The word echoes softly between breath and silence. Almost. A kiss that paused at the edge of lips. A message unsent, still glowing in the draft. A hand that reached, then hesitated. The universe holds its breath in those spaces between what we wanted and what was. But do you hear it? The hum beneath the silence? That's the sound of almost. A kind of magic that never made it to daylight, but still lives. Like a star that died, yet still lights the sky. Sometimes the almost love is the one that loved the most.